God, I'm gonna be playing. This asshole's gonna keep me at his house until like 3 a.m. I'm gonna go drive home in my crappy truck.
Are we doing part 3 now?
I guess.
Welcome back. Welcome to part 3 of Super Mario 64, Super Mario 65, whatever you want to call it. Doing
65 colors of the rainbow?
a full 120 star playthrough. We only got 5 right now, and we're already on our 3rd video. This is gonna take forever.
It's okay, I don't know. I'll divide 120 by fucking...
Oh, 120 divided by the square root of pi is a big fat cock in your ass.
Oh, I'm pretty sure that's not the equation. Yeah, not the actual one.
Oh, then my math teacher taught me wrong.
What a bitch. Ah! Did it get... Every time with that painting. Fart noises are funny.
That's gonna be our signature thing, thanks to you.
What?
Yeah.
Every time something ah! Oh shit. Like you kill her son. He's like, hey buddy, I'll show you some. I'll show you my pain. Oh god. Hey, fuck you, fucker. Motherfucker cheating shit.
Penguin ass. Right in your face.
No, fuck you. I'm gonna do the smart thing. Get down there, you fucknut. Haha! Beat you, bitch.
Isn't this the... Maybe this is the one you were thinking
What?
about. Where...
What?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Where they say you're cheating.
What? You motherfucker!
Oh!
No! Well, so I'm gonna go kill myself. What a great start to the episode.
I can't believe... I knew... Oh.
Good.
We found our answer.
See?
I also think there's like a hidden star up there, too.
Like...
Maybe... I don't know if my memory's serving me right, but...
Well...
I think there's like
my
a...
memory served me right, just in the wrong location. Oh, better get that.
Oh, man.
He fucking blames you for cheating, and then he just like picks off like, "See you later, shitlord." Well, what do you think that penguin's voice is like in English?
Oh!
Fucker! Get that motherfucker, bitch! Jump! Yeah, jump!
Jump?
Yeah, fucking jump! Good, jump!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh, God! Whoa! Gee, oh, that could have been hazardous for your health.
Yeah, there is. There's a hidden star in that box,
Yeah,
I
but
think.
that's easy to get, though.
Okay, fine, yeah.
Oh my god! You make a great asshole, I have to say. Oh.
Yeah, baby. 666! Oh!
Wait, what?
We just summoned the devil.
I thought he was already here.
In the flesh.
Give me that shit. Okay, I'm gonna go to the womp. Go to the womp, womp, womp. Gotta go to the womp, 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 womp.
Wah, wah, wah.
Womp, wow.
Wow.
Womp, wow.
Wow, 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 wow.
Woohoo! Will that get old? Will that ever get old? I'm serious, like, will it? I mean, seriously, will I ever get tired of it? Probably not.
Do you remember those, like, old Mario commercials that were, like, got milk?
Yeah, those are that 3D Mario with their skateboard and shit.
I guess.
Yeah, he gets on a skateboard.
Oh!
Fucker. Rambo. Which we played. Well, I mean, we didn't. Maybe it's. Fuck! Played Rambo at some point in time, but maybe it's uploaded, maybe it's not. I don't fucking know.
It is a mystery.
You just go up this way? uh. Oops. Oh well, guess I better go back.
You can't like ground pound him and kill him.
No, if he's alert, then he's gonna wreck your shit.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Nice. Oh well, I don't need it anyways. The room is spinning. I know how to get a 1-up. Yeah. Oops. Look at that high resolution mouth of his.
You're watching the very first PlayStation 4 video ever recorded.
So that's what you get from us. You get the new age. You get the new age quality.
You know, if you ground pound when he's about to land on you, you go through him.
Really?
Do it now. Boom, baby.
What you didn't know as a kid, you know now, and it helps you a little bit more.
Collecting the souls of innocent people.
Well, he really wasn't doing anything, was he? Like,
Not really.
oh well, take it, butthole. What's our time looking like?
We got 4 minutes. 4 minutes
Okay,
left on this
okay.
episode.
Good thing we're keeping track.
Top of the fortress.
This must not be the one.
Oh shit, I'm tired.
How do you get the owl?
Oh, well, no. Well, I think you have to stay there for a while.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can hold it.
Do you?
Yeah, hold it for a while. Do it. Do it!
I am!
You gotta go up like that.
I don't think so.
I could've sworn the owl's this one. Is it the wrong, like, level? Like,
Yeah, I think.
Is it... Wait, don't you get something if you stand in the flowers?
I think you get like a warp, maybe?
It's one of these flowers. Wait, it's the one on the other side over here.
Oh!
What do you think this is? The
Oh!
new Super Mario Brothers Wii? I don't think so. It's the one with the coins. Stand in the middle of that shit. What the fuck? One of these takes you somewhere. This is a new experience for both of us, I guess. Just get out of there. Leave it. Leave it. He's not doing anything bad. He's not gonna do anything to nobody.
He was born.
Oh god, I just grabbed this controller and it didn't work. That's how bad I am. Whoa, nice. Wait, what's the objective on this one?
To the top of the fortress?
Oh yeah, just the bullet bills. You can dive into them, or do that. I mean, they are pretty harmless though, right? I mean, really?
We're the real bad guys.
You killed my friends, you bastards! He just falls back asleep. Ah! My eyes are so tired right now. Wow, I think you've officially made those the easiest in the game to kill now for me.
Oh!
Oh well.
What?
Didn't get that gravity pushing you down. Oh yeah, hold on, stand under that. Wait, hold on. No, stop. Stand under it. Hold on, what's this? I always did that as a kid. Just goes. Squishy Mario.
Squishy Mario?
Yep, there's a title for this video. I mean, that took the cleverness out of putting it as the title.
I'm gonna do it anyway. We're not clever or funny. That's
our calling card.
yeah.
That and
Yeah.
Holy shit! I just realized we've been doing this for like 3 episodes now, and we're using the same audio file, right?
Yeah.
Oh fuck! This can be big. Yeah. See y'all later.
Next time on Joystick Circle Jerk, Joe dies.